All right, everybody, welcome back to Overland Trails Adventures. Today is a crazy, exciting day on the next journey Dan and I have chosen to take with the channel and with our adventures. We've kind of been doing this a little over 5 years, and in that time, we've built 3 rigs, and they keep getting bigger. And we built the Jeep, which was agile and fun. Had a little trouble mechanically with the Jeep. Then we built out the 2014 Toyota Tundra. Had a lot of beautiful fun with this thing. Alu-cab is great. Then we built the 24 Toyota Tundra with the camper on the back for long-term travel, which is really great. It's a fun ride, but we seem to be getting bigger and bigger, and those bigger rigs have a harder time on the trail. Maybe get back to that smaller form factor, SUV factor, and we found something that fits it to the T and is a lot better quality than anything we probably ever had for an off-road style vehicle. So we're gonna go in, sign the paperwork, and take you along with us. Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thanks for all the hard work, man. We appreciate you. And
Pleasure's all mine.
one of the things we really appreciate about working with Sewell is the personal relationships they bond with us, and the service that they give is above anybody else we've ever really dealt with. They take the time to get to know you, your needs, and what you're trying to accomplish with the vehicle. It's not just another number with them, and that's why we keep coming back, and we will keep coming back to Sewell. Thanks again, man. We appreciate everything.
The pleasure's all mine. Nice working with you, really.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
And more videos to come on the Grenadier, all we're going to do to it.